Setting up Wix bookings on your Wix website is a straightforward process that can help you manage appointments and bookings efficiently. To get started, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix editor. Click on the Add button on the top bar and select Bookings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Wix bookings page where you can click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. First, you need to define your services by clicking on the Services tab and then the Add Service button. Enter the name and description of your service, and set the duration and price. You can also add images and customize the service settings as needed. Next, set up your staff members by clicking on the Staff tab and then the Add Staff Member button. Enter the staff member's name, email, and password, and set their role and availability. Now, configure your booking settings by clicking on the Settings tab. Here, you can set your business hours, time zone, and booking rules, such as the minimum notice period and cancellation policy. To add a booking widget to your website, click on the Add to Site button and select the location where you want to display the widget. You can customize the widget's design and layout to match your website's theme. Finally, test your booking system by making a test booking to ensure everything is working correctly. You can do this by clicking on the booking widget and following the prompts to complete a test booking. By following these steps, you can easily set up Wix bookings on your Wix website and start managing appointments and bookings with ease. Remember to customize your settings and services to fit your business needs. And don't hesitate to reach out to Wix support if you need any assistance. With Wix bookings, you can streamline your booking process and provide a seamless experience for your customers.